unstoppable giant, the Boeing 52H Stratofortress story. For more than 6 decades, there's been one name that echoes through the skies, not just a bomber, but a legend. The Boeing B-52H Stratofortress, a colossal bird built to last, born from Cold War urgency, and still writing history today. This is the story of a flying fortress that refuses to fade, origins of a titan. 1940s engineers and early prototypes. In the aftermath of World War II, the world's powers raced to dominate the skies. America needed a bomber that could fly farther, faster, and carry more than any previous aircraft. The B-52 wasn't just another aircraft. It was a bold bet on the future, designed to carry nuclear weapons deep into enemy territory. But that future was uncertain. Could a plane this massive work? From 1946 to 1952, Boeing's engineers wrestled with this question. Countless prototypes, design revisions, and tests later, the first Stratofortress took flight. Its 8 engines thundered like a beast unleashed, promising unmatched range and payload, engineering marvel and design mastery. The B-52H is a masterpiece of engineering. Its wingspan stretches longer than a football field. 8 powerful turbojet engines give it an eerie, unmistakable growl that can be heard miles away. But its true genius lies beneath the surface. An incredible payload capacity capable of carrying 70,000 pounds of bombs. From nuclear warheads to precision-guided missiles, the Stratofortress can wield an arsenal that few aircraft could dream of. And yet, it's not just firepower. The plane's rugged, straightforward design means it can be maintained and flown for decades. Unlike many of its high-tech successors, battles and bravery. The B-52 in action. The B-52H's real glory? Its battlefield stories. During the Vietnam War, these giants flew missions through fierce anti-aircraft fire, dropping tons of bombs in relentless campaigns. Fast forward to Desert Storm in 1991, and the Stratofortress was again the backbone of America's strategic bombing. It could fly non-stop for 35 hours, striking with devastating accuracy. And even in the wars of today, Afghanistan, Iraq, the B-52H continues to adapt, launching cruise missiles and showing the world that age is just a number. Modern rebirth and future flight. What keeps the B-52H flying strong in the 21st century? A series of cutting-edge upgrades, advanced avionics, new engines in development, and integration of hypersonic weapons. It's the perfect blend of old-school toughness and modern tech wizardry. And with plans to keep it operational well into the 2050s, this bird shows no signs of retirement. Legacy and the human bond. More than metal and engines, the B-52H is a symbol of American resilience, of ingenuity, and the human spirit. For the crews who have flown her, it's a trusted companion through the darkest nights and fiercest battles. This isn't just a plane. It's a legend that has carried hopes, fears, and dreams above the clouds for generations. B-52. H soaring into the sunset. Fade to black. The Boeing. B-52H Stratofortress. Still guarding the skies, still unstoppable, still flying into history.